Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wyze Doorbell, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up your Wyze Doorbell, start by unpacking the device from its box. Inside the box, you should find the doorbell, a mounting plate, screws, and a quick start guide. Next, ensure you have the Wyze app installed on your smartphone. If you haven't done so, download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Doorbell from the list of device options. Follow the on-screen instructions that guide you through the setup process. Next, make sure your doorbell is charged. If it requires wiring, turn off the power to your existing doorbell. Disconnect the old doorbell and connect the wires to the Wyze Doorbell. Use the included mounting plate to secure the doorbell in place. After mounting, turn the power back on. The doorbell should power up. Listen for the chime sound indicating it's ready for setup. In the app, connect the doorbell to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait for the app to confirm that the doorbell is connected. Once connected, you can customize settings through the Wyze app. Adjust notifications, video quality, and motion detection preferences as needed. Finally, test the doorbell by pressing the button to ensure everything is working correctly. Now, your Wyze Doorbell is set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.